Sing Sang Tai Tai Leho. My name is Gina Galsote Ursua, 35 years old. I am from Villamiguel, Quirino, Isabela, Philippines. I am a single parent. I have one son, ages 11 years old, and one daughter, ages 17 years old. I am a high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking and baking, and I'm a pet lover. I have 5 dogs and 1 cat. My expertise are children care and baby care. I work as domestic helper in Kuwait for 2 years and 3 months. I have served 1 couple and 4 children, ages 10, 6, 4, and newborn. I also work as domestic helper in Singapore for 2 years and 5 months. I have served 1 couple and 2 children, ages 1 year old and 8 months old. And I work as domestic helper in Singapore for 1 year and 2 months. I have served 1 couple and 3 children, ages 21, 19, and 12 years old. My duties are taking care of the children and elderly, cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, ironing, car washing, marketing, and baby care. I want to work Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family and for the future of my children. I am willing to take good care of elderly and a newborn baby. I can sing nursery song like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Out above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. To my future employer, Mom and Sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I'm hardworking, honest, obedient, and with long patience. I promise to be a good housemaid, and I promise to prioritize my job and finish my 2 years contract or more. Thank you, Mom and Sir. I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.